genuine barrel found in somebody's shed.
Quiet, please. Mark it. And action.
Hello, I'm a Diversey barrel. I'm 100 years old, so I've got a tale to tell. I was made in Chicago in 1923, and I still exist to this day. I belong to August and Herbert Kochs, who started a company from a restaurant. They saw a big sign outside that read Diversey, and so they named their company that. But what they lacked in imagination for inventing company names, they made up for with sheer brilliance in inventing innovative cleaning products. Because they recognized the 1920s bustling economy and increasing population required a more rigorous approach to hygiene. My job was to transport the first ever cleaner-disinfectant to help businesses take care of what was precious to them, their produce, their reputation, and their customers. So I was a very important barrel, a VIB, if you like. Look, there I am, the good old days before the rust set in. We quickly grew across the world, and I retired to make way for the new breed, recyclables. So let's zoom forward to see what we're doing now. The special thing about Diversey is they really like to take care of more than just cleaning. And this comes from the thousands of brilliant employees in 60 countries across the globe. My colleagues, if you like. They go beyond clean to take care of what's precious. Not just people, businesses, and equipment, but also local economies, growing industries, and the planet. Take our Linens for Life project that enhanced the livelihoods of local communities with discarded hotel linens. And we also did the brilliant Soap for Hope. But don't just take it from me. Listen to our people across the world tell you why they're proud to take care of what's precious to them.
What's precious for me is the thoughtfulness that Diversey has when it comes to creating shared value.
At Diversey, what's precious for me is being able to share our innovations to help develop safer and healthier environments with a focus on sustainability.
What precious means to me in Diversey is that my customers are happy and they are satisfied.
I know I can take care of what is precious to me, and that's the future of the planet.
At Diversey, I know I can take care of what is precious to me, my family, my wife, and my daughter.
This is all down to the amazing people that have worked at Diversey since that day 100 years ago, when we were just two people, some handsome-looking barrels, and 2 billion people on the planet to take care of. Now we are nearly 9,000 people with over 8 billion people to take care of. But do you know what makes me even prouder? Not just the past 100 years, but the thought of what we can achieve together over the next 100 years.